Hello, hi. So, today I'm going to explain you without remembering the shortcut keys. How do we make this alignments or merge or create a pivot? So, see, it is very hard to remember the shortcut keys like Control plus Shift plus something. So, what I'm giving the suggestion is, yeah, first of all, select the Alt H. So in this select alt H, so you will get the everything is there. So already we have selected the alt H, so which is in active mode. So just select the AC. So this is for center. So yeah, I'm going to start with the example. So now I'm going to make it is a left alignment. So just I'm going to alt plus H C. There is AL is there. So select a AL. Okay. Or you want to make it as a right alignment. Alt plus H A R. Okay. You want to make it as a center. Alt H A C. So see, while you remember, so just if you make it two or three times, you or obviously you will remember the shortcut key. So this is the shortcut keys, and you want to make it as a you want to match these two cells. The simple shortcut keys Alt H M C. See, remember? So you want to match this one, Alt H M C. See again, Alt H. So it is returning to M. M for merge, M, and it is asking center or merge across. You want to merge across A, merge cells C. So this one. Now, for example, here some point something is there. You want to change the decimals, Alt H9, Alt H9, Alt H9. Okay, so decimals have reduced. Increase the decimals, Alt H0, Alt H0. So this is the shortcut case. So we have to the main thing to remember is remember Alt H. That's it. The remaining everything is here. So based on this one, you just have to update the numbers, update the letters. That's it. Okay. Now let's see. So it should not be marked as this one, and it should not be this one. So now you just want to make it as a pivot. Alt H and sorry, Alt. After that it is N, and it trigger to V, and it trigger to T. Sorry, T. Okay, and it is asking Alt. Yo, if you want to go through the new sheet, then Alt N after enter. So the data is there. So this is the way to remember the shortcut keys. Again, I'm telling. So just remember the Alt H. If you want to go to the insert box, just select escape here. So you will go to the N. If you press the N, you will go to the insert. If you press the P, you will go to the page layout, vice versa, in the same way. Okay. Yeah. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel.